I welcome all football lovers and those who enjoy making money on bets. Camp Nou is once again hosting the Champions League. Barça are taking on Borussia Dortmund. Expect open football, expect fire, and definitely expect goals. I've broken down both teams, as always pulled up the stats, and I'm ready to give a clear prediction with betting ideas for this match. Watch until the end. Right now, subscribe to the channel and jump into Telegram. I've got a free VIP bet with great odds ready for all new subscribers. At the end of the video, there is football fact of the day. Now let's get started. Team analysis and statistics. Barcelona right now is not just about attack, it's a real storm. On average, the Catalans score 3.1 goals per game and concede very few, just 1.1 goals. 6.5 corners on average per match. The wings are working, the combinations are there. Yellow cards, 1.4. Discipline is solid. In their last 5 matches, everything looks great. That 0-5 loss to Espanyol in the Catalonia Cup doesn't count. It was practically Barca's third squad on the pitch. A win over Atletico, 2 wins over Benfica, a win over Sociedad 4-1. They're clearly in excellent form. If you're looking for a team that will score, it's Barca. They don't wait, they crush. The key is not letting the opponent believe they can survive. That overwhelming ball control always brings results. Now Borussia Dortmund, an unpredictable team. Their average scoring is 1.7 goals per game, but they concede 1.5. Corners, 6.1. They do attack, but less frequently and less organized. But in yellow cards, 2.3 per match. They have the dirtiest record among all Champions League quarterfinalists. Recent matches: a 0-2 loss to Leipzig, a 2-1 win over Lille, a loss to modest Augsburg 0-1. In 5 matches, 2 losses, 2 wins, 1 draw. No stability at all. They can play brilliantly, then collapse in a basic match. So how do they succeed? Individual flashes and a good tempo in attack. What about head-to-head? The teams have met 3 times, with 2 wins for Barcelona. In 2 of those 3 matches, both teams scored and there were at least 4 goals. In their head-to-heads, we almost always get a show. Betting ideas and prediction. Taking into account current form, playing styles, and Borussia's defensive fragility, everything points to a home win. My prediction and main bet: Barcelona to win 3-1. Agree? Write your thoughts in the comments. Here are some bets worth considering. Barcelona to win with a -1 handicap. Barca are clear favorites. Both teams to score. Yes, Borussia are capable of striking even in defeat. Total over 3.5. The team style suggests fireworks. That's all for today. If you want more breakdowns like this and real working predictions, subscribe and like this video. And remember, all new subscribers get a free VIP bet in my Telegram channel. Don't miss your chance. Good luck to everyone and see you soon. And now let's get to the fact of the day. A footballer refused a lucrative transfer because he had pet crocodiles. I'm sure you haven't heard much about Ryan Kent, a Liverpool Academy product who couldn't break into club super team but went on loan journeys. Coventry, Freiburg, Rangers. In Scotland, he made a real name for himself and became a champion with Rangers. Then Ryan got an offer from none other than Mourinho, who had taken over Fenerbahce. Unfortunately, the winger failed to convince the legendary coach, and after just 1 season, his contract was terminated. Rangers reportedly wanted him back, but he suddenly moved to Iran. Surely, a decent play like that had other options in Europe. The reason for the transfer turned out to be extremely exotic. While Ryan was playing in Turkey, he got himself actual pet crocodiles. He couldn't legally bring them to the UK, but the Iranians promised they'd welcome such pets as long as Ryan chose their club. Arguably the most unusual reason a footballer has ever picked a new team. What do you think, guys?